Do a little demonstration on this Kobalt cordless 3/8 impact, 1.5 amp hour battery in it. I've had it for about a year. It's freaking awesome. It's not very heavy. It's perfect. I use it in a lot of places. I use it every day. I don't know if I said it, but I've owned it for about a year. This Chrysler 3.6 liter motor I've pulled out of this van. Hasn't been out too long, but it's a little project I'm picking away at. There's no rush on fixing it, but just wanted to do a little demo. Engine mount bracket. Try to switch up my sockets here, different size. That's what the coolant looked like coming out of this motor. That's why I'm tearing it down. A little hesitant on the Kobalt 3/8. Sorry about the shakiness here. Put this bracket on the ground. I was a little hesitant on buying it because I was unfamiliar, but I pulled the trigger, bought it. You know, you got the Snap-on Mac Tools trucks that come around. They want 500-600 for theirs, blah, blah, blah. They got a bunch of accessories. Well, Kobalt does the same thing. I actually have the Sawzall, the 1/2-inch cordless impact. I actually have their cordless weed whacker too, but that's something for another day. Just wanted to give a little review on guys that might be contemplating this and unsure of its durability. I've used and abused this. I haven't dropped it a whole lot, which tends to happen. Auto mechanics like myself, they set it on something, knock it over, whatever. Run it over, leave it under a hood of a car. Haven't done any of that yet. So far, so good. I don't regret buying it. It's a quarter of the cost. Got a great warranty to it. I think it's 5-year on the tool. I wouldn't hesitate to buy it again. Totally worth it. The battery charges in like an hour. I have yet to upgrade the batteries because this 1.5 is perfect. I have 2 of them. One dies, I plug it in. I've had no issues with needing more batteries with the amount that I use. And like I said, I use it every day. I'm not using it all day. But I do use it pretty frequent throughout my day. It definitely, no problem with 6mm bolts. Gets a lot of 8mm bolts out. You know, to do some larger stuff, depending on how rusty it is, where I have to do a lot of my repairing. Cars get very rusty. But yeah, strut tower bolts. Batteries, real quick with batteries, valve covers. I also take spark plugs out with it. I mean, it does do your bolts. It doesn't do the 12 or 14s, but this works great for anything below that. So, again, if you're contemplating it and wondering should I or shouldn't I, go for it. The LED's pretty cool on it. I like it. Lights up some stuff. It's not noisy. Works great. So if you're thinking about it, this review helps you. Bye!